Hi, my name is Krizia Medero and I'm the designer behind So Printed. So Printed works at the convergence of fashion and technology. We experiment with innovative, sustainable ways to create wearables, textiles, and fashion items through 3D printing. For this project, I would like to partner with the lovely Sewing and Arts Collective, a Minneapolis-based nonprofit led by Designer Keiona Cook. They offer youth and family opportunities to come together through education in sewing, dance, public speaking, poetry, entrepreneurship, and many other skills. Through their monthly group classes, one-on-one instruction for kids, they strive to empower individuals and create an environment that promotes patience, focus, leadership, accountability, and empowerment among all communities. The collective also uses sewing classes as a tool to teach financial literacy and money management skills. Their mission is to shift and heal the minds of both their youth and adults through unity and community bridge building, one sewing stitch at a time. The Gigabot 4 is an amazing tool that lets designers take all the amazing things about 3D printing and customization to a whole new scale. For this project, I want to showcase how the Gigabot 4 can have the unique use of helping revolutionize the fashion applications of 3D printing. In fashion, customization often comes at a premium price and is really hard to find. One of the most costly fashion tools are dress forms and mannequins. We all have different shapes, sizes, and bodies, and with 3D printing, custom 3D printed dress forms can be a reality, and that brings new possibilities in fashion creation and education. I would love to use the Gigabot 4 to 3D print some custom dress forms for the kids at the lovely Sewing Arts Collective, and all of them for educational and entrepreneurial purposes. Custom dress forms and mannequins will be great for teaching the kids how to take measurements, teach kids how to drape a dress on a dress form, displaying their work, etc. One of my ideas is to add some guidelines to the dress forms to aid with education. Something as simple as lines, marking where to take measurements, adding some text, adding a head portion of the mannequin so that they can make hats, are all possibilities with 3D printing. These are just some of the ideas that I think would be possible with creating these custom dress forms for the kids. And I would love to collaborate with them to figure out what their needs are and see how we can design something really amazing together to further support their amazing mission. Thank you.